Yo. Damn, I'm not the first one here. What's up, what's up, what's up? One second, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway. Stay tuned. What are you giving away? I'm gonna give away an account. Where's the give away the Porsche? What's good? Got my first futures account today. Moving away from CFDs. Good shit, bro. Welcome to the dangerous side. Let me put it on my Instagram. I'll be giving away a 25K account right now on stream, guys. I'm gonna do it in about 10 minutes. So if you see this, come click, come join, see if you can win the giveaway. And I'll see you guys there on YouTube. Click this link. Give me a second, chat. All right, let's get it. How's everyone doing? How was your guys' morning? Bro, we killed it this morning. Kind of unfair. Not gonna lie, I feel bad for the markets. We'll do a little breakdown. We're gonna give it like 10 minutes, chat, then we'll do the giveaway. Until then, we'll run through some stuff. All right, guys. Let's break it down. So, pretty beautiful morning, at least for NLT. If you guys are in NLT, you already know we absolutely ate. I'm gonna go over what it was, how we catch it, how you guys could have potentially caught it, all that type of stuff. So, it was on US 30. What I kind of went and saw when I was kind of getting on the markets for the first time, I went out to the hourly, and to me, we were in this big bullish trend, and we talked about yesterday how we failed to make new highs here, melted, came up, and then melted back down. So for anyone who was on stream yesterday, everyone thought me trying to take shorts was just insane. Look what ended up happening right after we got off. We tried shorting in here, guys. Obviously, it was a little early, but I was like, you know what? All I know is that during Asia, we're going to come back and dump. What ended up happening? Literally, as soon as Asia opened, it didn't do one thing besides just dump all the way down. Yes, we rallied up today, but I knew this retracement was coming down. I just was a little bit too early. So anyone who thought I was crazy on the sells, might have been a little crazy, but you could see that it obviously was calculated. It wasn't just absolutely insane. I definitely had some conviction. But when we were back down in this area, guys, and I went on to the lower time frame, I liked how price kind of went like this. Price kind of right here came up, came back down, and then had this last little liquidity sweep at the low of London before rallying back up. So I was open potentially like buys or sells to aim for the Asia highs or potentially the London lows. But you know, if you go to the 5, you'll basically see all I kind of did was right before session. What was this? Still 625. So what was I at? So I think I originally had like these highs, but it started to fly. So I put this up here. And I had these lows like right here, okay? So these were the two kind of zones I was looking at for this morning on US 30. And right when we got the open, I'm pretty sure we rejected. Yeah, so we rejected hard. We came here, led to a big bottom wick the first 5 minutes. I think I even stayed out for the first like little bit. Yeah, still was out. And then as soon as we got just a re-break above, right above here, re-triggered in, got in at this re-break. I kind of was like, you know what? Why would we come up, take the highs, respect the lows, and re-break the highs if we weren't going to fly? So got in here with a 30-point stop loss. And this was my trade right here. So before I even pressed play or anything, this was my trade idea. Came down, swept, came up, and then we were retesting the little bullish kind of impulse it made, retested it here, and then also kind of swept this low right here. Why these are good areas for me is that whenever I see a big impulse like this, I think of like, all right, this is obviously bullish price action. This is bullish pressure coming up, but where are their stop losses? Obviously sitting like right under these lows, right? Like if you bought here, you'd put your stop losses either at break even right here or under these lows, or if it came back down. So what ended up happening? Retracement, took out the lows, had a reaction, came up, retested, rebroke. And then this was our entry for the morning for US 30. And then that's all she wrote. So that was the position from this morning, guys. Not only was I able to freaking absolutely eat, but I'm actually still holding some of the position. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see here. Let me see. You guys can see the history is looking amazing. I always show you guys transparent about it. Nice account history. But you see all those freaking blues. The only red I got this week was a $40 break-even trade. If I just would have actually hit break-even or didn't get slipped or whatever, it would have been all green. But with that being said, you see the position from this morning. Now we click here and you see I'm still floating a bag. And what's funny is I'm only in a 0.05, but I'm up $1,500. You know what I'm saying? Like I've closed a majority of the position, but it kept 0.05 running, and I'm up 1,500. Absolutely amazing. So, all I gotta say is if you're not with the NLT freaking gang, I don't know what you're doing, guys. The link's in the description to come trade AM session with me every single morning, and hell yeah, this is where we're at, guys. So I think today's gonna be really slow. Whenever the price moves, even like I would say 200 points. How many have you moved? So you moved 320. If price moves already like 200 points, guys, it's just, at that point to me, it's kind of like, you know, not the highest probability. Like this right here is a 1 to 2, guys. What do you think this is? 1 to 11? Absolutely insane. Straight passing challenges on that one play. Rar. Bro. And then... what's it called? So I want to do a giveaway. So because of that, I want to do a giveaway for you guys. So I said like 11:10. We're gonna give it like 2-3 more minutes, guys, and we're gonna do a giveaway for you guys. Giveaway for the gang. Bro, peep Dax got booked out. Damn, I know it happens, bro. Sometimes you just gotta have, you know. I always laugh when the markets try to like aim for my stop loss, and it's like, bro, I don't even have one. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm totally kidding. What, you said it was Dax? Oh, right here. Oh, damn, it swept, went, you got stopped, and then it went. Damn, it melted after. That's ass. Good catch, though. Good eye. And then for NASDAQ, guys, NASDAQ had clean sells here below. We've kind of retraced back up into here, guys, but I would say that like NASDAQ to me at this point is not in that good of an area for me to like I don't really want to buy it because if we, you know, I think we're kind of just correcting this sell move, but I'm also a little hesitant because look at US 30. US 30's moved 300 and fucking, you know, like, look at this. 396 points, basically 400 points. 400 point movement to the upside, and NASDAQ decided to go down. I think someone asked like, oh, do you know why it happened or whatever? Has to do with just the companies in it. So you guys gotta understand, NASDAQ has 100 of the top tech companies in one bundle. You know, so that's 100 companies, 100 stocks. US 30 only has 30, right? So they have different kind of reactions sometimes based upon how those companies are reacting that day. Does it always happen? Not really. You know, most of the time it does move in sync, but it's weird. Like here, SPX is supposed to move more like NASDAQ than even US 30 is, and it also rallied, right? So there definitely was something in the NASDAQ. Let's see what NVIDIA did. No, NVIDIA also was up. Very interesting. W, no correlation. I like days like this because it shows traders that the market will do as it please. Yeah, exactly. That's so true. When and how do they think they sync back up? It just goes back to regular price action, right? Like in general, when there's not a lot of news out, you know, you guys got to think there was news this morning at 5 a.m. That's why we got I don't know if I mentioned that, but we had news at 5 a.m. So that's what you know, triggered a lot of that. Where is it at? Right here. 5:30 a.m. unemployment claims. The unemployment claims came out green. So the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance the first time during the past week. So you see that it actually came out less than the forecast. The forecast was 236,000 jobs, right? Claimed, and instead 227,000 unemployment claims, which is right. Like the less people who claim unemployment are what? It's good for the economy, right? So it's good. If the actual comes out less than the forecast, it is good for the currency. It is good for the US dollar. S&P and Bitcoin all-time highs, I know. What's it? What? Catching dubs this morning? Yeah, fat dub on US 30. I'm still holding it. Trendline exit went crazy today. If you guys use the trendline exit, you guys are great. Like, it's even crazy. I'm still holding some. But I could have even hold, like I did close partials. Like I come over to here. You guys can see I did close partials on the way up. But I don't know. What are your moving averages? I use the smoothed moving averages, and I use the 8, the 50, and the 200. 8, 50, and the 200. Can you show your session settings? Yes, I also have a YouTube video on it, but real quick, I'll just, you know, go through it. You guys can pause this video and put it in. Just make sure you put in your own GMT and whatnot. You got the Asia box, London, New York box here. Here's the full thing. Style, visibility. Got him. All right, guys, and like I said, we're gonna do a giveaway. Put some 41s in the chat if you guys are ready for the giveaway. 41, 41, 41. Four D1s in the chat. Martha. Man, what a rejection there, too. Guys, that could be very interesting. I'm curious to see what it does tomorrow because they're probably going to stay within this range of this high and this low of New York. Like this move Might range in between to end the week. So I'm curious to see like what we kind of want to go into next week. All right, guys. So we're gonna do the giveaway on Discord again. So if you guys know on the Discord, that's the first thing. So let's first send out the Discord and get everyone in the Discord, and then we'll do the giveaway right in there. Just because it's fair, it makes it so that everyone has an equal chance of winning. We could go do like the comments on the video and whatnot, but hell yeah, thanks, Alba. So make sure you guys are in there, and then what you guys will see is once you guys join the Discord and you scroll down, there is a section that says giveaways. So there is a section that says giveaways. In the giveaway section is where we will do, you got it right, the giveaway. Let's go. Just let me know when you guys are in there feeling ready. Let me know when you guys are out there feeling ready, and then we'll do it. The markets are slow today, guys. That's why like a lot of people I feel like aren't here on the stream today. I don't know if I'm feeling really taking a trade. I absolutely ate all week, no losses. So I don't really want to go in and just fucking, I don't know. We tried a full pour yesterday, whatever, but you know, when price moves 400 points already in the morning, you don't really want to come back AM session to fucking do anything. And on permission, why not? What's up, bro? What's up, Luke? How you doing, G? Good to see you, bro. What up, Maya? Bag 'em all ready. True Money in the building. True Money, how you been, bro? How's your trading been and everything? Live giveaway. Yo, what's good, what's good, what's good? Yes, sir, guys. So we're doing a giveaway. Markets today. So that's just like something you guys should maybe something you guys should maybe keep in the back of your heads is that like if price moves over like 250, 300 points, especially 400 points, what are the chances it's going to continue? You're trying to catch at the very top. So I'm like, you know, I'm going to be hands off today. But I also don't want to be hands off and not give you guys something. So we're doing a giveaway. Alex Sullivan was good. My G. Tony Gold, what's good? Ivan, Kenny, True Money. I'm a good trade with you. Let's go. Let's hit it. Rudy, what's good? What's good? What's good, Teresa? Good to see you guys. All right, so you guys are all here in the building. Trying music, what's good? Jose, what's good? All right. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. We're going to do /G create. Like I said, guys, make sure you guys are a part of the Discord. We're going to come in. We'll say 3 minutes. Prize. Would you guys rather do 2 25K or 2 10Ks or 25K? What would you guys rather have? Should I give away 2 10K accounts or 1 25K account? Cool. All right, looks like a majority said 25K. 25K. Description is Nick sits when he pees. All right. So if you guys are not in the Discord, you guys will not be able to enter in the giveaway. So make sure you guys join. It's completely free. To join, obviously, all you guys need to do, it doesn't flash. That's hilarious. But all I'm gonna do is come in here and press submit. All you guys need to do now is come in here and you guys see this present button right here. All you gotta do is press it. Once you press that, you are automatically in the giveaway. Bro, who the fuck put the cock? Guys, supposed to be no eggplant emojis. God, who put the fucking... Look at that, just untouched. Look, everything's got a... No, bro. Bro, I knew it was gonna be oh so dirty. Matt, I'm on your head. Don't even try. Devin, Jago, for real, I'm on your head, bro. L. Too many reactions to this message. Ain't a bad problem. Y'all need Jesus. Click on the, instead of clicking on the eggplant, everyone click on the cross. It's tradition. Horny gang. Let's get it, guys. 2 minutes. We have 46 entries. There's 70 of you guys here on live. So that means some of you guys aren't in it. Like I said, all you guys need to do is join the Discord. It is completely free. The reason I do it on Discord instead of just doing it right on here is it makes it fair. So I literally have no, I can't rig it. I can't do anything. It's literally just whoever hits this button, Discord is going to pick who wins. Nothing I can do about it. We'll blame it on Nick and the Lemon stream. Let's go. I got it. Yes, sir. I tried to hit the emoji button and it slid to the right. LOL, I didn't voluntarily. Yeah. That's what Top Song says. That's what Top Song says. Just a reaction to participate? No, it's this present right here. You guys have 50 seconds. There's a present right here. This little present. The reactions are just funny. You can do the reactions. Who the fuck out here just straight spamming the eggplant? Y'all are crazy. But now you gotta hit the present right here. Once you hit the present, you can hit it twice. It'll even say you already entered this giveaway. If I win it, guys, then I'll probably double it up. Where do you get the funding? Well, yeah, like a challenge a cut from Clarity. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner is Bop MXNT. Oh wait, no, he's usually here. You in the chat, bro? You in the chat, G? You got to be here on stream. If he's not on stream, guys, then oh yeah, he's right here. Bob X MXNT. Now I remember. Yeah, I've seen you in the chat, bro. Hell yeah, appreciate you, G. You're the winner. W, guys. And guys, if you guys don't know, I do giveaways pretty often. All you guys need to do is show up, show some love, and I will give you guys the opportunity to win a challenge, right? I know a lot of you guys sometimes have challenges or it might be expensive because you just blew one or something. So I try and help you guys out. But hell yeah. Winner chicken dinner. Yes, sir. Shout out to the boy. Let's go. W's in the chat. Double it and double it and give it to the next person. If he says double it, I would do it. But I think he wants it. You know what I'm saying? I think he wants the challenge. I clap with no hands. You guys don't need a giveaway. You guys need Jesus. Y'all need Jesus, not the giveaway. For sure. Let's fucking go. All right, guys. So checking out NASDAQ. What do you guys see? Same type of thing I was talking about. We had highs taken out that led to this impulse. It looks like we're retracing it into it. If we mark up this high to this low, what do you guys see? We're tapping off of discount in here to potentially distribute back down. Like I said, I'm a little conflicted just because US 30 and SPX are just rallying right? So it's like, what's saying that freaking NASDAQ won't just continue with it and just do the same thing? But I guess you could say the same thing. It's not as big, but still, like, this could potentially be coming to reject off of here. But it looks like we're just coming straight up, guys, trying to come back up to all-time highs. Or is that all-time highs? No. Not all-time highs, but, you know, previous good highs. Over here would be all-time highs up here. Just put an alert. Still got another. See, but this is what's funny is that there's 250 points to all-time highs, but we've already moved today more points than we even need to get there. We've moved 400 points. That's kind of crazy. What a wild day. Where do I go? Sign up for an account with Clarity. Make sure you have that, and then what's it called? Send me your email, like message me it on Discord or Telegram or whatever. To Western Union. You gotta head to Wells Fargo, brother. Jose, I'm not gonna lie, you always ask me questions that are literally just questions that you just should ask yourself. And you just always like spam them in the chat. Like I don't even know what to say. Hey Luca, I have a question. How do I know if I'm good or bad if my account is going up, but just my inconsistency of X has been throwing me off, and I found one that works? It's like, bro, you keep answering the question for your, like, I don't know what you want me to say. And you send it 100 times doesn't make me want to fucking answer it. Like, I just don't even, like, sign up for mentorship. Yeah. Come back. Round 2. If you want to learn more of the trend line or whatever. I mean, guys, I offer one-on-one stuff, Zooms, everything. You know, I might not be, like, I obviously come here and, what's it called? I come here and give you guys as much fucking free shit as I can. I answer your guys' questions, but sometimes the questions are literally questions that are meant for yourself. You know? Like, I don't even, like, you literally answer. Like, even though I go back up to it, I have a question. How do I know if I'm doing good or bad if my account is going up, but just my inconsistency of exit has been throwing me off? It's like, if you know, like, you literally answered the question within, it's like a rhetorical question. You know? It's like, if you know that, like, your exits are good, but your inconsistency with exits is what's hurting you, what should you do? Stop being inconsistent with your exits. Rocket science. Sheesh. Rocket science. Def Joint LT team, yes sir. How do I know if I'm good if my light bill is always past due? I know, right? How do I know if I'm good if my light bill is past due? That's actually pretty fucking funny. What the what is that trend? I hate it. Hate them. Alright guys, US 30s took out this high. Like I said, guys, there's not a lot today. I think I already said it before. Everyone who's here, when price moves more than like 300 points, like low key, like 200. Like if price makes moves 250, 300 points already, you know, because there's two things, is that you could trade with the trend and go, all right, we've moved up 300 points, so I should look for a buy position to continue the trend. But then, on the contrary, it's like we've moved up 300 points. Oh, I'm going to sell it to come and correct the move. But it's like, damn, you want to like, you're going to like try and call at the top, you know? I don't know. If anything, guys, I think US 30 or NASDAQ would be the best for some short-term sells, but I still think we're going to be rallying back up. So definitely watch out for that. Pass my two-step funded hero challenge. Not funded. Let's fucking go. Guys, this is, I always say this, but on weeks like this is when you guys got to capitalize, right? Like last week I went undefeated. This week, some break-evens and whatnot, but undefeated. You guys saw the account history. Absolutely just beautiful. Check it. All you see, the only red you see is at the top when you see an $8,000 withdrawal, and the only other freaking red you see is a $40 break even. Other than that, straight blues for this week. And then once again, you just scroll up again. Same thing before the withdrawal. Blues in the chat. Like, I don't know if you guys see those little losses or whatever, but it's literally like $70, $14, like little break evens. Straight dubs. And a lot of you guys ask, you know, and a lot of you guys watch me, like a lot of you guys ask me fucking, what's it called? Oh, damn. I just noticed something. But a lot of you guys ask me about like break evens and why do I go break even so much and this and that. And that's the reason. That's how you guys are able to see me consistently have such blue days and such small losses. Like trading's literally about having your losses as small as possible and maximizing your wins. And what did you guys just see on my account? What did you guys just see? Big wins, small losses. Luca, do I get nicked tonight or is it, what does that mean? What the fuck does that mean? Like what? Thanks, Shane. What did you start the account with? I started at 40K. It's at I think 60 now. Oh no, 50, but it's because I withdrew that 8K. Or else it would be at 60. Wild Thursday. I mean, yeah, I said that Thursday was going to be that day. Tuesday, I didn't or Monday I didn't trade, which was beautiful because Monday was ass. Tuesday was not too bad. Wednesday, fire. Today, fire. How many 40K accounts do you have? 100. I have 100 of them. It was a nice little straw off that top there. I don't know, guys. At the end of the day, like, I just don't think that there's much for us to do. I obviously wanted to come, do a giveaway. Shout out the boy for winning. W's in the fucking chat. But also, guys, I'm gonna do another YouTube video, so stay tuned. What YouTube video you guys want to see? Everyone, let me know. Get a bike and run from the cops. That's hilarious. Getting life of Luca. Some more of that. Or like, how about this? I've been dropping a lot of day in the lives, which I will continue to do. But I also think I should drop some trading knowledge. What is something that trading wise you guys want me to go over that maybe I don't have on my story or something? Backtesting with smaller time frames. Okay. Explain liquidity. I have some of that on my YouTube already. How to flip a small account. If I was gonna do a video about flipping a small account, though, I feel like I should be flipping it. I shouldn't just talk about flipping an account. I feel like I should just do it. Your opinion on getting funded or starting a live account? Okay. What does that mean, Dakota? What the fuck is going on? Pick me to create a video. Damn, what if I pick someone from the chat and like traded Asia with them and tried to like help them become profitable? That'd be kind of sick. That was a good question to see who actually watches your videos, right? To see like if they're just mentioning what I've already done. It's actually funny. Flipping comes down to two things: either full port A+ flips or hit base runs trying to hit compound. Yeah. Fuck. Like a strategy video or something. I was helping the guy to 1K to you should do something similar. If I do it, I'll actually do it for real. I don't think that they did it for real. I don't know. Someone's a little off to me. But not gonna be a hater. Future strategy, yeah, that's coming more this next week. Vlog on food, fuck yeah. Let's go. Top 10 most common question from mentorship. That's a good one. Pick me, Luca. I live next door, bro. Why do you always? I feel like you keep saying that. Are you out here, or I feel like you don't live here? I'm confused. I put some sauce in your Insta DM with the freaky shit. Ooh, okay. Wait, DM me again right now. Have you shown how to journal trades? I think I have a video on that on my YouTube as well. Maybe I'll just have to delete those and just redo them. Repos. Use doorbell. Yeah, I'm just trying to think, guys. Like, I like kind of doing some like kind of day in the life vlog type stuff and then finishing it up with some sort of trading video. But I feel like the past 2 videos I've dropped have been mostly just vlog stuff. So I feel like I want to drop like a trading one. So that the YouTube still knows I'm a trader. Hell yeah, bot. Send me ad, I'll pull up, bro. DM if you're actually in San Diego, bro. DM me, like on Instagram. I'm an NQ short. I'm up 1,000, but I feel like those good shit. Oh, you're shorting? I don't know. I wouldn't short. Luke, what's up? How you been? Doing good, bro. Maddox, how are you, bro? This is like your second week in NLT. In the mornings, I got a question for you, full transparency, because I have not asked him, guys. I have not asked Maddox how it's been. I haven't talked to him once since he's joined. How has it been since you joined the live morning sessions? I'm curious. If you could be honest, if it's ass, let him know. Let him know to not join. But no, it's been fire. I just came across your profile early April this year. What did you do before becoming a full-time trader? I was fortunate enough to be a college student and find trading my sophomore year of college. And by the time I was graduating, I did have a job lined up because I felt like I had to get a job because, you know, you go to college, you get a degree and all this type of stuff. I got a job to be a financial advisor. But luckily, I was profitable enough with trading when I graduated to go full-time trading. And I've been a full-time trader ever since. Which has been awesome. What about finding a noob, like maybe someone you know who wants to get into trading? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, something like that. I'm doing good. I like it, enjoying the calls you've been on. this since I've been in, so I can't complain. Awesome. There we go, bro. Big W's. But yeah, that would be cool to like find someone around here and just like live trade with them and whatnot. Be hella fun. All right, so I gotta think. What do I think would be the best? Simulator DM. Let me look. All right, let me bump it up so I don't miss it this time. All right, I just opened it, Dakota, so I'll check it after. Look, I want to open a gym where we can offer trade education. I feel like this would empower our clients and our trainers wouldn't have to stress about making sales. What do you think? First things that come to mind is good concept, except you can't force people to be into things that they're not into. And I've had to come, you know, I've had to realize that over time is that like, I love trading. I genuinely have a passion for it and it makes sense to me. You'd be surprised, bro. There's a lot of people who just genuinely are not built to be traders. You know? But I feel like all you guys are built. You guys got to think that like, I'm not saying not everyone like you guys aren't, but some of your friends or family that you may want to get into it, they might not be built to be traders, which is just, it's sad. But like, I think that we definitely have to have a different type of like, there's people like, I think about like my sister trying it or this or that. And I'm just like, actually, I mean, I think she could do it, but I don't know. When it comes to the risk and the psychology and the having a hold and like, I couldn't imagine any of my siblings holding a trade over a 1-to-1 R2R because of like the money involved in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine telling them like, oh, you're risking 100, but you're not closing until you make 300. And then they're up like 80 and then 100 and they want to close and they have to wait till 200 and they want to close. But I'm like, no, they have to wait for 300 and they want to close. And then finally they can close. Nah, like, dude, that takes a different type of psychology. That takes time and experience. That's just an example. All my siblings are fucking smart as fuck though, so they don't even need it. But I coached my buddy for 2 months and he gave up on it yesterday because he wasn't making money. That's what I'm saying is they think if you're not making money off the bat, bro, that's why so many people, I feel like, I think back to when I started trading, guys. Like, you guys got to think, there's a lot of people who I mean, I didn't have any of my friends who I started trading with, but I met a lot of people in Discords and in Telegrams and stuff. I can't name you one person that is like still like really out here doing it. Like, for real. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just can't think of it because everyone just kind of like, you know, you don't make money right away and you just give up. I said it in one of my recent YouTube videos, guys, but the only difference between me and you guys, or me and people who tried trading before, is I didn't give up and I just fucking kept doing it, and time and experience gave me everything I need. Like 2 Chainz said, true. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't see this up here. I love what you never advance when you hate what you do. Exactly. I'm an SD but live in the hood, bro. It doesn't matter. Come pull up on me. My shit. I'm in the hood. Look. Actually, it's kind of a nice view. But we out here, bro. Come through. How many trades, like a max a day for you to take? Is there a trader limit or whatever? It's like, I would say it's more of the behavior of that thing. Like, I don't like to take more than like 1 to max 3 trades in a session. And if I were to take a third, it's because like I'm just fucking, I had a really good week and I'm down to maybe risk some stuff. But really, I try to take like 1 to 2 trades in the AM session, and then I come with you guys here and look for like a setup or 2. But like, if I lost hella in the AM session, let's say I just went 0 for 2 and just like went, I might not even trade that account 4 p.m. Or if I did really good, like you guys saw me just green all week and you guys saw my account history, I'm literally like here, and I'll literally zoom in. I have nothing to hide. I put it on my YouTube video. I'm super transparent with all you guys about it, just so you can see a little better. Same account you guys see me start. It was in the last vlog too. So this is the, on that last vlog YouTube video, you guys can see that $8,000 withdrawal right there. And after that $8,000 withdrawal, I don't know if you guys can see. What does it look like under? Right? Just straight blues. But also, we're still in floating 1480, right? From the position this morning. And then the same thing. What's it called? You know what I'm saying? So, only reason I'm doing this is what we're just talking about is imagine being this green and you run it up like 10K. It's like, I don't know how to put it. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I'm not willing. I don't want to give any of that shit back. I put money into my account. I don't know. Like, I think because I'm a full-time trader, I might look at it a little differently. Because you know, you need to fucking stack up the price. You need to close. You need to close in blue. You need to put money in your accounts. I'm not as willing to go and blow those profits. Whereas people who may have a full-time job, you guys, like some of you guys out there already work a 9 to 5, and you guys aren't really like relying on trading yet. So you're more okay with taking more setups because if you lose, you're, oh, fuck it, like whatever. But think about someone like me who's like, you know, trying to actually stack up these profits. I'm not going to be as willing to go and give my profits back to the markets. You know, if I give all of you guys on a Monday, right? If I give you guys on a Monday 10K and was like, you guys can't trade the whole week, like you guys should be good. You guys would probably be okay with it. And you would just be like, oh, I'm not trading all week, I got 10K. But what if I told you, all right, you got to trade like your setup during the week or whatever? And I don't know, fuck, that's a bad analogy. But basically, like, you just need to take proper setups. If you guys win, stack up the fucking wins and don't be willing to give your profits back. That was a bad analogy. I don't even know where I was going with that. It's like if I gave you 10K, you guys would be okay with it. You'd be like, okay, I won't trade. But if I said, oh, well, if you follow your rules and take these trades, you'll make 10K. You won't be as like willing. You'll want to like still take extra trades and do this and that and whatever the fuck. And it's going to eat away from your profits, you know? Basically, I'm just trying to explain both the outcomes are the same. You get 10K one way, you get 10K the other way. But, you know, I don't know. If you understand that you will trade until you die, you will achieve it. Yeah. Facts that we do it for no joke. Facts. Very good analogy. It's like you said before that one time, nobody became broke from taking their profits. Exactly. Exactly. No one went broke taking profits. No one's light bill stayed off. Here, look how you. What's up, my dog? T-Dog in the building. Good to see you, G. Good to see you. How you been? Appreciate you, Luke. I gotta head out. Peace out, Teresa. See you next week. Yes, sir. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Teresa, what about you? How was your experience with the AM sessions? I know you're in it too. Don't let goth mommy see you losing negative aura. Just taking it one trade at a time. That's all we can do, brother. That's all we can do. Nice little sell-offs on the US 30, guys, after we had taken out that high like we talked about. Liquidation. Come back down. NAS is slow though, guys. Like I said, it's exhausted. Not moving the best. But yeah, guys, I want to record a YouTube video for you guys so I can either put it out later today or I'm going to put it out tomorrow, guys. Keep up the YouTube grind. You guys go look. I've been trying to be a little bit more consistent with it. A lot of you guys say you guys want not only more, you know, trading videos or whatever, but just more videos in general. So you could see, I'm definitely trying to post a little bit more. And you guys watching is what will make me keep doing it, right? If you guys keep running up the views and you guys comment on the videos and stuff, I'll definitely keep them up. You guys can see we're looking pretty good. on the YouTube. And hell yeah. Go run it up, like it, subscribe. Congrats to Bob MXNT for winning the giveaway today, guys. If you guys do not know, I do giveaways pretty often. All you guys need to do is be here, show up, and honestly, sometimes ask for it. Sometimes just literally just ask. So what up, Laggy? Hey, brother, need to get back on your live streams. I've been losing recently. Don't know if it's because I'm stressed with work and not thinking straight. So hopefully you can eat. Thanks to you, bro. Hey, let's go. Bro, I recommend coming to the AM sessions. Pull up to the AM sessions, guys. Like, I know PM, I'm here, I'm active. It is cool to come watch me live and stuff, but it definitely is a lot slower and not as good of results. When you guys keep seeing me eating on my account and up fucking 10K for the week and stuff, a majority of it is coming from AM sessions, I won't lie. So if you're in a stressful place and you need some friends and whatnot, why I say that? Pull up, guys. AM sessions where it's at. Link in the description. Thanks, Luke. I'm an hour away from SD. Can I pull up on you when I'm out there? Yeah, guys. Like, you guys got to give me a heads up. You know what I'm saying? Don't just be like, I'm in SD today. Can I come see you? Because what if I'm doing something? You guys would be like, oh, Luca hates me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and like someone, this actually happened in New York. I don't know if he's in the chat, and this isn't talking shit. I love meeting you guys and whatnot, but there was someone in New York who'd messaged me and was like, I'm in New York, like, where are you staying at? And I was like, oh, I'm staying by Madison Square Garden. And then they just like pulled up to Madison Square Garden and were like, yo, I'm by Madison Square Garden, where you at? And I was like, bro, I was like, I just told you where I was staying by. Like, I didn't say. You know what I'm saying? And then he got mad later because, yeah, whatever. So just let me know in advance. Just say, yo, what's good? That's it. Let me know you're pulling up. And let's go. No, he's right here. That's what I'm saying. No, he didn't get mad. I was just using it as an example. No, you're the boy. That's why I brought it up. You've been coming to lives for a minute. I just remember, I forget who it was. I thought it was Emmett or something. Emmett was like, yo, someone's mad at you because they said that they told you that they were coming. But I was like, bro, I don't remember saying to come at that time. I would have been down to make or to, like, you know, dinner or lunch or whatever, but we weren't even there anymore when you actually texted me. But yeah, no, I know you didn't get mad. Just misunderstanding. All you guys gotta do is just let me know in advance. Yeah, just you have to send me your email, Bop MXNT. That's some fire views and thank you, Kid. Hey, we gotta smoke that up, bro. Yeah, like I said, I saw it way after, and I was like, oh fuck. And then Emmett said that. That you said that. Yeah, whatever. So I was just misunderstanding. Nothing serious. Where the fuck am I? Shit. Dow misses you. I'm still in Dow. Dow, how do you miss me? Dow, how do you miss you when I'm literally inside you right now? I'm literally in. Okay, well, that was a little bad, but I'm literally in you, Dow, right now. How much does the Asian market affect US 30 and NAS every day? I mean, it has some reaction. I think gold's better during that time, but AM session is fire. Y'all missing out if you're not on it. Yes, sir. Killing it with Cypher. Cypher passed one of his 100Ks this week in one day on one of the trades. TOPSTEP outage affected today? No, sir. I didn't even see that. Guys, any final questions or stuff, or what do you guys need? Not sure if you were over, but what did your days look like as a college student incorporating trading? Bro, I had to give up a lot. That was one of the things I've actually brought up a couple times, but I definitely had to give up. Like I was like a, you know, fraternity member, had a girlfriend at the time and all that type of stuff, and just I had to put everything to the side and really dial in. I have videos of me like just in my fucking room. I gotta post them. I'm gonna post them, but like literally just videos of me inside my dorm room, grinding, trading, watching YouTube videos. And then guys, like literally, I don't know if you guys have seen on my story sometimes when I've like posted, when I've posted, what's it called? When I used to live above a bar in college, that's literally where I started NLT out of. When I first started getting like some payouts and all that type of shit. And I don't know if you guys know why I started NLT, but I didn't want to go by Luca. I was like embarrassed to like be a trader because I was in college and whatever the fuck. So I had just like a faceless Instagram called No Limit Trading that I would just post my trades on because I didn't want to show my face. And then eventually I was like, well, no one's gonna follow it if no one came to see whatever the fuck. So I changed it to Luca.NoLimit. Fun fact. And then what do my days look like? I mean, fuck, bro, just going to classes and listening to trading videos all day, staying up for London because that's where I got introduced to live streams. Started going, you know, I always say, but Daniel Savage's live streams, GJ during London session. Oh my God, that helped me so much. And then from there, finding Dr. Dollar. And yeah, from there, just fucking kept going. That was it. That was it. I started to become profitable from the live streams with Daniel. Got to Dollar. Dollar motivated me to take this shit seriously and actually like change my name to like when I met Dollar, it still was whatever it's called. No Limit Trading. It still wasn't Luca No Limit. Brother, before I go, I get it back on track, start getting profits again. Do you recommend me coming here every day on your live or start with your signals because working is killing me? So yeah, for the signals, it's like live trading in the morning. So if you can be on the Discord calls, I would say that. You can message me. You guys can go use code 4th for what's it called? Code 4th for 20% off or whatever, I think. And I'm running it up, guys. But your story resonates with me so much. Your interview with TradeNet is fire. Thank you, bro. That actually is a really fire interview. I gotta hit him back up. I should do another one. Just want to say what up, Luca. Hope you've been well. What's up, Evil Dad? Good to see you, G. Don't overtrade is what you're saying. I mean, definitely don't overtrade. Definitely, guys. I don't know how to make it make sense in your guys' heads because it made it like once I started trading more, it made more sense for me. Is that I used to think that more trades equaled more money, and then you figure out that like less trades actually, because you're taking like less trades, you're not opening yourself up to more risk. So like long term, you're gonna stack profits and overall be more profitable, trying to take like 1 to 2 really high probability trades rather than 10 medium probability trades, right? So yeah, less is definitely more in trading. Don't overtrade, and just have an entry criteria you guys are following, because the minute you guys start trying to, you know, switch entry criterias and different strategies, is I always say this, guys, but no strategy has a 100% win rate. So let's say that on the high end, right? Like if you have an 80% win rate, I still call cap. I don't know. I literally would have to see your data. I still call cap if you say you have a fucking 80% win rate over a couple months. Of course, if you know, like I technically have had like a 80 to maybe even 100% win rate over the last 2 weeks, but I'm saying over like, you know, a couple months, 80%. I call cap. But let's say on the high end, 70%, right? If you have a high end strategy with 70% win rate, that means that you are bound to lose 30% of the time. And I think you guys forget that. I think that when you guys take a loss, you forget that it literally is just part of the game. Every trade has negative probabilities to it, and it's just how it is. You have to know how to combat that with a strategy, with your risk management, with risk to reward, making sure you're profiting over a period of time if the strategy is not working out, whatever. So the reason I bring that up is that if you are using a strategy that has a 70% win rate, 30% loss rate, and you take 2 trades and both of them are losses, Well, guess what? You already are in the 30% of that, win rates, negative probabilities. So you got to keep shooting to then start getting to that 70% of profitable. Because the minute you start going, all right, well, I lost 2 trades going for this strategy, let me go to this other one. Well, that other strategy might have a 60% win rate. So you have a 40% loss rate. So you start trying to use that strategy and you're just getting eaten up by the negative probabilities of that strategy. So you're literally just getting double fucked by the negative probabilities of both strategies and not letting one of the strategies play out over a given period of time to end up profitable over a period of time. Does that make sense to you guys? I hope it does. That's literally the name of the game. What do you think about Sai? Sai's my boy. I actually was just talking to him. If you think 30% is unlikely, you just need more experience. Yeah, like guys, like I'm gonna be honest, like a realistic win rate for you guys is most likely 50%. I would say around 50%, 60%. Maybe close to 60, whatever. But when you go for 1 to 2s, you have good risk management and stuff. Because guys, if you guys had an 80% win rate and you guys were hitting 1 to 3s, you guys wouldn't be on these fucking live streams. And I wouldn't be here either. I'd be on fucking with Jeff Bezos. You know what I'm saying? It's all a game. It's all a game, guys. What do you feel like you still struggle with till this day when you first started, or what was something that you used? I don't journal as much as I used to, which is really bad because journaling is what got me here. And I'll say that. That's why I preach it so hard. But actually, I'll be completely honest. I haven't journaled as much as I should be. But I also did it so in depth for 4 years, 5 years that the 6th year I shouldn't give up, and I'm expressing that. That's probably the one thing I probably should be doing better. Well, it's awesome, Sai. Also, yeah, I normally try and FaceTime him right now. He's come on this live stream. You guys haven't seen Sai on the live stream? Sai's pulled up. Oh, guys, I could show you guys something also. It might be dangerous. Oh, here, actually, I'll do this. Ready? Everyone, look at this. You guys will actually like seeing this because I got it yesterday. Well, here's one of them. I gotta find the other thing though. I got it from yesterday. Can you guys see this or no? July 8th, 2021. Why did it go so? What the fuck? July 8th, 2021. Like, I've been around the block. But not only that, I have this other thing. I want to post it because it goes to show it's not about how you start, it's about how you finished. Oh, well, watch this. Ready? Actually, I don't even know if I should be showing this. It's a funny ass video. So I used to like to just box and shit. That's what the first part of the video is. It's like me just boxing. I'm probably not gonna show that part. Look at me just knock someone out. But watch this.
This was before Bitcoin. Let me
July 9th, 2021.
Bitcoin. Let me refresh. Sheesh.
Come on. Literally goes to show, like, I had a little dip. It's not about how you start. It's about how you finish. Like, guys, I've been doing this. This is me, like, still trying to pass the, like, guys, this is passing one of my first FTMOs. Come on, look at that. Now just look at it. It's not how you start. You know, a little dip, and then we up. Come on. It's so fun. Oh, yeah. Selfie. But yeah, pretty funny. Should I show this? I don't really want to. Oh yeah. No, but I just want to show you guys, like, guys, that's from 2021. Obviously, I started trading in 2020, but those came up yesterday because it was what 4 years ago yesterday that I'd passed an FTMO. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, think about it. Like, a lot of you guys just passed your first challenge this year, but you guys want what I have 4 years later. You know what I'm saying? Also, chat, just wait. Next. All right, guys, well, I'm outie. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for an amazing freaking week. New YouTube videos coming out. If you guys haven't gone and watched the latest YouTube videos, make sure you guys go give it a watch and all that. And stay tuned for what we got coming, guys. A lot is coming in the next like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So just be prepared. New content, new stuff coming, guys. If you guys want to come trade the AM sessions, you guys know where I'm at. You guys want to come run up with the gang, you know where I'm at. Come join NLT Elite. If you guys need anything, let me know. If you guys aren't funded, like I say, I always can get you guys funded accounts. Congrats to the winner of one of the accounts. Hell yeah. Any other questions? I'm outie, guys. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it. Peace out, gang. Doses.